watching it. Thank you. One next to that mustache pack. One next to that skip. Okay, I pulled a Connor McDavid the other this weekend actually. Oh wow, what a lot of stuff here. And I'll be right back in 1 second. They're packs for the game. That's right. No, it will show up on that. I used that though. I'll talk to him later. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna check if it's working. I'm also gonna check if it's gonna hear me. Just wait 1 second. Should. Sorry about that. People were wanting me. I got 6 packs left here. Let me also check the Twitch settings here. Okay, yeah, it is working. I can hear it now. Sorry about that. Wait. 1 for Connor McDavid. Pack number 1. Sorry, I had to run all the way up here if I'm a little like breath. Skip. Okay, no Connor McDavid. And all these I already had. I'll keep them anyways. And I'll send them to my collection and I will quick sell the rest. I'm getting close to that the pack. I'm really excited for it. Pavel Zacha. Wow. I sold him for 6K. He was the first card I pulled in one of these packs. I sold him for 6K, but now he's only going for 300. Wow, the market. Okay, keep those. Maybe I'll finish up some collections. Middle pack luck, please. Okay, let's stare this one down. I'll be silent for this thing. Okay, let's see. We got Lindbergh and Thomas. I'll keep these anyways. McKechnie. That looks like that's it for this pack. Quick sell rest, good. Last two. The first one. What will we get here? Please. Pray to the gods. Whatever the heck you want to say. Nick Ritchie, 50 coins. Wow. That's bound to go up soon. Walters. Let me click those. Halifax and all these jerseys can go to my collection. I will quick sell the rest. Okay, we have pack. The last bronze one. No look. I've just decided no look. You guys can see what I got there. I obviously do not know. I'm gonna turn around. And okay. Seriously? So our best pull so far has been the Scotty Hartnell. And this Flyers jersey again. Wow, okay. Anything else? No, so that's it for that pack. Oh, I should also probably keep Vickerman. Inbox, there you go. Quick sell. Oh, now here's the pack you've been waiting for. The whole time. The Gold Player Premium pack. Double the size of a standard Player Premium pack. This pack's worth $20. Let's open it. Okay. Spent all of my Christmas money, all my birthday money on this. What do I get? Okay, I see. Okay, Bolig. Alright, come on. Please. Don't do this to me. No! Really? 21k quick sell? Is that it? It's a quick sell pack, guys. $20 and it's a quick sell pack? No. No, that's messed up. EA Sports. Spend all of my money and I get one special card? That sells less than what he actually should, less than he quick sells for? Okay, I'm keeping the ones for 1,000. You can just quick sell yourself, man. I'm mad now. I'm not happy. You know, why am I even keeping these guys? This is just a straight quick sell pack. Wow. That's really disappointing. Just look at this. Okay. Let me do the math, see if I should actually keep these and sell them later. Let me do that actually. So, opening up calculator. 700 plus 850 plus 750 plus 700 plus 700 plus 750 plus. Okay, I'm just gonna be quiet so you don't have to hear me adding up everything. Really disappointing pack. Probably gonna sell this guy for 7,000, right? So pretty much, it's not even worth keeping this. I'll probably only keep this guy and sell him, or I might just quick sell this whole thing. Wow, I was really hoping for like somebody really good, but really? Quick sell. Quick sell. Quick sell. It's gone. Wow. Let's just go look in my collection now and see if I even completed. I know I didn't, but let's just see. So this one has the most. Let's just see. Look at these teams. I might complete these collections in a little bit. Probably not, though. I'll end up selling everything. Okay. Here, anything. So the closest one would be this one. But, I might do that on stream, actually, because I'm right here right now. So, maybe. I want to thank all the 22 viewers that came out right now. I just noticed that. Wow. This is the highest I've had ever. Remember to subscribe and follow to our, well, not subscribe, but follow to our Twitch. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, NHL Gaming Universe. It's a pretty good YouTube channel. We upload videos daily, and we'd love for you guys to subscribe. It really helps us. It's really great, you know, and helps me make more streams and videos like this, where I can open up packs for you guys, and you guys can talk to me and stuff, and it's fun, you know? So that's pretty good. So go subscribe to our YouTube, because later tomorrow I will be making a video where I'm going to tell you how you can win these 2 cards, okay? So remember to subscribe to us so you can get these 2 cards. And that's pretty good. So kind of sad I didn't get any what's it called, Movembers, you know. That was really what I was looking for, but to no avail. 60, is that 87 or 60? Okay, 67. This is what I have in here, in case you just wanted to see all my dreams shattered in my inbox, pretty much. Oh, well, this isn't very much shattering, but I mean, like, come on. That was our best pull? Not, this guy's pretty good, but that was our best pull? The whole thing. Well, at least I got a good pull. Sorry about my little rant here. Let's just keep going. So upset. I really thought I might have a chance of getting somebody good. And no, EA has to come and crush my dreams. You know what? We can't end it on this. We can't end it on a bad note. I'm opening up a bronze jumbo right now. Open now. Come on. Redeem this pack opening. Or you just don't have to and give me Benson and Sheen. Well, I tried, guys. I really did. I tried to get us something good. Tried to support our YouTube channel so we can give you guys more giveaways. But I guess not. Okay. Quick sell all this. And let's open a silver premium for you guys. Let's just open this one right now. Yes, we'll watch this. Okay, and we still get nothing. Okay, well. Is this a quick sell pack? I think this might just be a quick sell pack. I don't really have the time to do all of this. That's a nice jersey though. I'll sell this for you guys for really cheap right now. Also, I'll put it up for 700, a little cheaper. Oh, not 70. 700. There you go, 1 hour. And, well, let's see, what teams do these guys play for? If they play for the Norway League, that's pretty good. So, nope. Quick sell of that. There you go, goodbye. And that's it for this pack opening. I want to thank you all so much for coming out. I want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a like, and I shall see you all later. Goodbye.